In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add products to your Wix website. So for that, you want to click on Site Actions and click on Edit Site. Now that will bring you over to this page. Well, you should first of all add this store add-on. You can do that by clicking on Add right there, and then right there you'll find Store. You want to add that, okay? Now once you've done that, you want to click on My Store, and you can go to Dashboard, or you can click on Add Products. So click on Add Products, and that should bring you over to a page where you can start adding products to your Wix website, which is exactly what you're looking for. So we'll just have to wait for this to load, and there we go. So here we can actually add a product to Wix. So you can give your product a title. So for example, how to digital whatever. I'm just gonna add this how to digital merch. This doesn't make any sense, of course, but just make sure that you come up with the title for your product. Now next up, you can add images or videos. So right there, click on Add Images, and you should then be able to add an image on that product. So you can go to My Files, or you can upload new files basically. So click on Upload Media, click on Upload from PC, and you can then select a file. So let's say that this right there would be my product. You then select it, you click on Open, and you can then use that as the image for your product. All of this makes sense. It's just using common sense, and then I'm pretty sure that all of you will be able to use this. Okay, so click on Add to Page, and there you go. You can then also add a video if you want to. I'm not going to do that. Now next up, if you scroll down, you can start adding product information. So you can give it a name, ribbon right there, a price. So let's say that I'm selling that for 28 euros. You can then also put this on sale. So you can give like a 10% discount maybe. So that would make it 25 euros. So you can just play around with all of this and add anything you want, to be honest. Okay, so if I scroll down even further, you can add a description. So how to digital merch, whatever. Just put in the product information that suits your product, okay? Now, next up, you can add additional information such as the return policies and care instructions for your customers. I'm not going to do that for now, but all you need to do for that is click right there, add an info section, and then enter the information. Next up, you can add custom text if you want to. So this will allow buyers to personalize this product with a custom text field. So let's say that you're selling merch or print on demand stuff or whatsoever. People can then put in a text, and you would then print that on that t-shirt or whatever it is that you're doing basically. Now next up, we have the product options, and these are important as well. So with this, you can add different options like sizes, colors, or material. You can click on add option name, colors. You can then choose a color right there. For example, gray, black, and white, and then click on add, and there you go. I've just added 3 different colors for my product, and that's how you can do this. You can then also connect images that suit those colors. So let's say that right there you used a white one, and you also want to add a black and a gray one. You click right there. Right there you can also add inventory and shipping, and you can use all of this yourself. This all depends on your stock and your product basically, but that's how you can add products in Wix. If this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.